Beyblade Burst Dual Threat Launcher Unboxing and Review. This is the box. It's pretty basic. Just shows you a little bit of the product. These are the instructions. They basically show you how to use a launcher, switch rotation, but they do not show you what the tool to change Legend Springen's mode is for, though. That is for Legend Springen. Pulling out the tab allows you to change the mode of the launcher from left to right spin. Here's a comparison of the other Hasbro launchers, and the Dual Threat launcher is the biggest launcher released so far by Hasbro. So after that test, that definitely shows this launcher, the Master Kit string launcher, is not as good as the Dual Threat launcher. The length, this is a much shorter length than the Master Kit launcher, which is a lot further. It does feel different after using this launcher for a while. It is a louder, more harder to pull. This one is more smooth and quiet, but it is longer and does not seem to give as much power. My complaint about this launcher is that I have had a few jams after using it today for about an hour. There has been 2 jams, but those can be fixed just by unlocking it and going from left to right. It seems to fix the jams. I have never had a jam with this launcher. It only just gets caught sometimes, and the bays get caught in the prongs. They get hard to put on. I have the opposite problem with this, where the bays fall off the prongs. So, in conclusion, should you buy this launcher? If you don't own a string launcher, it is a good one to pick up for $10. The Master Kit does cost $20, and the launcher doesn't seem to be as good, but it does come with a Excalibur. But this launcher you can do left and right. It does seem to be more powerful, and definitely is a lot nicer for someone with a bigger hand. So yes, it's a good launcher to pick up. I will do another review later after a few more days of use to see how it holds up after a few days of use.